It has been 6.5 years, man. I be forgetting it's growing. And you remember I had nipple links, nigga? My nipple was right here, nigga. I'm past the nipple now. It's like, man, I'm about to be ab linked, then belly button, then V-cut. You know what I'm saying? But it's getting there. I really like what's going on, and I've taken care of a lot of my dryness, as you've seen. But I'm feeling good about them. You know what I'm saying? I'm probably keeping for another 7 years. You know what I'm saying? I fell in love with the journey. I always get compliments on my locks. You know what I'm saying? Even if it's like this, you know, I got all this new growth at the top. You feel me? Like, brother, what am I doing with this? What am I gonna do with this? Well, I'm like alfalfa. I gotta put it down like this. Make sure nobody see it. Like, hey, there ain't nothing wrong with my lock. But yeah, man, I'm really enjoying this, man. Found some good oils I can use from now. You know what I'm saying? Don't give me no problems. I watch like every month or so. You know what I'm saying? Retwist. I gotta do a retwist. I'm kind of lazy with that. I need to do one today. Matter of fact, I probably won't. I'm not even gonna lie. I procrastinate, and it's one of my big problems. But anyway, how y'all? What y'all think about the journey? You know what I'm saying? I know y'all don't watch a few of my videos. You know, how y'all feeling? I know some people say, "Oh, I want to get some locks like you," but I'm gonna keep it real with you. You're only gonna have locks like you. I mean, they can be similar, but they're not gonna be like mine. You know, it's a combination of the hair texture and what you're doing with them as they grow. You know what I'm saying? Because me, I started off with the comb coil. You feel me? And I went to interlocking after like 3-4 months. You know what I'm saying? I was like, you know what? My friend's telling me my shit ain't gonna be fully locked until like a year and some change. Your boy ain't got time for that shit. So it was like halfway butted up, I believe. You know what I'm saying? Halfway butted up. I was like, you know what? Before I try to keep going with this regular process, I was going to the Africans too. Or they were slapping gel in my shit. But anyway, I went to a salon with regular black people in it, not Africans. But I'm not saying nothing bad. It's just they wasn't doing what they were supposed to be doing. They didn't really do the research of how you're supposed to take care of this hair. You feel me? But anyway, I went to the salon and they started hooking me up with their interlocking. You know what that is? Interlocking. So that way it locked it up for me, you know what I'm saying? Made them knots in there, so you know it ain't coming out unless you just go backwards with the shit, and that's not about to happen. No, ain't about to do. But so yeah, I got a few. I got a what? Let me see. Let me think. Let me see. Regular twisting, interlocking. Let me see. Interlocking, and then regular twisting all the way down. And if you look closely, you can see the interlock pattern. Some people say you won't be able to see that shit, but I can see the shit. Like, you can see that interlock pattern on that motherfucker. Come on now, you ain't about to tell me what I can see and what I can't see, mommy. Come on, I can tell it with interlock. It ain't a bad thing for me. I don't give a damn. As long as I got them, I'm good. You know what I'm saying? But yeah, and with that being said, as far as the combing out, I won't be able to comb out this portion of my lock. It'll probably be all broken off, you know what I'm saying, type shit, because these are actual knots. It's not natural knots, actual knots, you know what I'm saying, man-made knots. These are natural knots, you know what I'm saying. I can probably comb this out and just twist it around, you know what I'm saying, twist it around in between, da-da-da-da-da. This shit is pulled through, nigga, you know what I'm saying. But so if you got some interlock locks, you won't be able to comb them out. That's all. That's all. But yeah, appreciate y'all for watching, liking, subscribing, and following me on this journey, this Loc'd journey. I will be coming back with some more videos. If you need to know some information that you don't have already, let me know. I will put it out there for you. I'm probably gonna do another how to start your locks, how to start locks. I'll probably do another video like that. I got a little bit more information. You know what I'm saying? I got a few methods, like 4 methods to start. You know what I'm saying? One method works for any type of hair, but you won't be able to comb it out. I'm not talking about interlocking. So stay tuned. You know what I'm saying? If you want to see that. But until next time, it's your boy. 6.5 years of growth. Some people say it's too short for me. You know? I mean, that's heard from Strizach. I know what's going on with my head. Feel me? I know how long it should be and how long I want it to be, and I'm good with where it's at. So till next time, it's your boy, and I'm out. Peace.